Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the easy steps to log in to your Huntington Bank account using the Easy Start for Daily Banking feature. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your web browser. Launch your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. Step 2. Visit the Huntington Bank website. Type in the official Huntington Bank website URL, www.huntington.com. Press Enter to navigate to the site. Step 3. Locate the Login button on the home page. Look for the Login button. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Choose your account type. You will see different account options such as personal, business, and wealth management. Select personal for individual banking services. Step 5. Enter your credentials. Now, you will be prompted to enter your user ID and password. Make sure to input the information correctly to avoid any login issues. Step 6. Verify your identity if needed. If this is your first time logging in, or if you have recently updated your security settings, you may be required to verify your identity through an additional method, such as a mobile verification code. Step 7. Click on the Login button. After entering your login details and completing any necessary identity verification, click on the Login button to access your account. Step 8. Set up Easy Start for Daily Banking, if not done already. If you haven't set up the Easy Start for Daily Banking option yet, once logged in, navigate to the account settings to activate this feature for easier management of your banking tasks. Step 9. Explore your dashboard. After logging in, you will be directed to your account dashboard where you can easily manage your finances, pay bills, view transactions, and more. We hope this step-by-step guide has been helpful in assisting you with logging into your Huntington Bank account using Easy Start for Daily Banking. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials.